Go live. We're live. Right. Fucking share it on my phone. One thing about Telegram, you can't space down on the computer. You can't space down so it like it looks better. Here we go.
Do you mean like the return button? Yeah, there's no like return button.
Yeah, so if you press enter on Telegram, it just sends it. On the computer, you can't space down so it like it looks better. Oh, nice one. Look at the likes. 2 likes. You what? Right. Let me share this. Then I'll share it in the Discord. Right. Fabio with smiles. Yeah, I'm gonna see how many people join. Yeah. I'll turn that off for now. See if we get anybody in. That 5 minute. Let's see if we confirm. Come on, lad. Let's confirm. Tell you what though, 42 subscribers. Not bad. It's not bad. Not many. I've not done many lives either, really. How many lives have I done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not bad. Let's see how many we get. So hopefully gold gives us something. How many ticks have we got into the highs now? It needs to confirm down here. If we can take some of these lows, wick up, then bang, we can go long. Do you agree? I agree. Right. Yes, Nat, how's it going, bro? You good? Nat, yes. Is this Nat from TikTok? I think it is. Right. I think I'll just I think I'll leave this Zoom, guys. Is that right? I'll message you both in the, if you watch the YouTube, I'll see you both there, and I'll jump on after the YouTube if you're up for it. Let's give us like an hour. Right, bro.
Yeah.
In a bit, Fab. Bye. Yes, then that. Right, I'm back. How's it going? Let's put this music back on. Oh, it's loud. Right. Yeah, I thought it were. Right, let's do this breakdown on gold. I'll do this breakdown on gold in a second. I am looking for longs, by the way. Not bad, man. Chilling missed my entry into longs though. A bit of yeah, nice. It didn't break out the best, Nat. Don't worry. Gold didn't break out the best at all. Yeah, so don't worry if you missed it. I haven't taken longs yet. I took longs this morning, but I haven't taken anything since. Let me just put a message out on the Telegram again. I didn't put the best out. So live gold trading. Welcome, guys. One sec, I'm going to do the gold breakdown in a second. Just bear with me. I'm just putting it out to Telegram again. Okay. Right, let's go. What is gold playing at? I think we don't worry, like, if we take this liquidity. If we do take this liquidity to the left, keep in mind that you've still got liquidity here. Yeah, you've still got high. So if you do take the liquidity here, then if we do get confirmation, we can look for more longs. You know, you've still got some decent levels here, for example, that you can run into. But overall on gold, daily, looking at the daily, you can see how the daily closed. You know, it took liquidity, pushed above, and I'm not looking to go short at all until you start closing back below, say, here. You know, 23.68. Overall, I'm looking for just longs. Main targets for today. We are above this 23.75 level, which I wanted to see before longs. And now we're pushing above it. I am going to just look for longs into this liquidity and this liquidity here. So we have still got a decent range. You know, overall range above this high, we've got 60 ticks. So if we can take some confirmation or continuation plays, that's what we'll do. Yeah, like I said, that's basically what I'm looking for on gold. Not looking for anything else. And if I do get the confirmation, it could be on the 5-15 minute. You know, take some of these 5 or 15 minute lows. Look at this, how many we haven't taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 now. 10 5-minute lows we haven't taken. So possibly we push down, take the lows and go higher. That's the breakdown, guys. Looking at the weekly as well. Always mark out where the weekly could flip. And if we look at this, you know, we've got a weekly flip here. So you've got some decent targets there too. So really, you have got a lot of targets on gold. So don't just think this is your only liquidity target. You've got, you know, highs here. You know, you've got highs here too. Obviously, I'm not going to keep them all on because it can get confusing, but short-term targets here. And yeah, on gold for shorts, you know, you need to at least break back below 23.71 at least. But yeah, guys, welcome to the chat. If anyone's got any questions, like I always say, get it in the YouTube. Get it in the comments, and I will answer you. See if we can catch it. Let's see if we can catch a long position. 9 viewers. Welcome, guys. Right, now we're starting to take some of these lows. These can be my favorite positions sometimes. You know, when you've got liquidity so close, 5-minute continuation plays can be my favorite positions because they're so high probability to run into it if you get the confirmation. Like even today, there's a 5-minute entry that I took here. I took this 5-minute entry long. You know, my hard stops were there. I also took a 15-minute break. Well, not break even. Like I lost as it closed. I took a 3-tick loss, so a little loss, but on the win, it was like partials at that high, 14 tick partial, you know. So I'm up for the day, but like I say, the 5-minute confirmations or the 5-minute continuation plays work really well. Especially when you're so close to liquidity, like so. All right, Joe, I'm already in at 23.72 long. 23.72, 23, one second, mate. Also, you bought quite early. 23.72, nice, nice. Yeah, I had a range. Now we've brought the range. I'm going to look for 5-minute entry soon. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. We have taken the lows, but we're not closing bullish, so there's no longs for me yet. You know, if this candle closed up here, then I'll take the flip of the next if we did push down. You know, you've got 10 ticks into there. 5 likes, guys. Thanks for the likes. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm good as well, Naeem. How are you, mate? But yeah, 23.72, mate. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Like I say, guys, if anyone's got any questions at all, let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll answer. Yeah, but on gold, we're looking for the longs. Let's see if we can take some of these lows. Take some of these lows, I'll go long. But guys, if you are even thinking about going short on gold, just think again. Look at the daily, look at the weekly, and say to yourself, why am I looking for short? Okay, looking at the higher time frame is so important sometimes, because like I don't really look at it and take trades based on like the weekly and daily at all. I just look at it to stop you getting caught out. Look at the weekly, okay? Look at the major resistance we're coming into, you know? Look at price here, you know, you've got so many wick rejections, and if you look at the daily, you can see again, look at the major, you know, support we come into. Gold loves these support levels, and you know, you've come into it, you've liquidated the daily lows, you're continuing higher. You know, the chances of price coming into here now is quite high. So that's very important to check out. Looking at the 30-minute and the hourly, again, you know, you've got so much liquidity here. Like, it's small, but you've got highs here, highs here, highs here, highs here that need to be taken at least before we start pushing lower. Look, liquidity taken to the left, runs into where? When it runs into this liquidity, and then it can make the move down. I'm doing well. £70 away from passing my funded account. Nice one, mate. Great stuff, Naeem. Who you using your funded with? Who you using? Is it Equity Edge? I think I remember Equity Edge, or I think it might be Equity Edge you're using, if I remember rightly. Well, let's have a look at this. This price action right now on the 5's not looking the best, but you know, you've got some decent first targets here. So if we just take some of like this next 5-minute candle, text these lows, push you strong. Equity Edge, yeah, nice, man. I just suggest to you, Naeem, don't think that you need to pass it today. Don't think you need to pass it today, mate. Like, if you're £70 away, you're £70 away, it doesn't matter. Just think to yourself, take your time with it and get it done. Yes, I do, Nat. I do, mate. I use Top Step. But I am having a look at... I was just looking at a new... I'm not going to say anything about it yet because I've not tried it myself. And the only reason I do suggest prop firms is when I know I've used them and they're good. But yeah, I do use prop firms. I use Top Step, and I've got some funded with them. But I also trade personal mainly. That's where I make most of the money. Personal account is where I make most. I'll let you know if they pay out, provided I make some profit. Yeah, Naeem, nice. Just like I said to you, just take your time with it, mate, and you'll be fine. Follow your plan. You know, you'll have rules that you use. But yeah, Nat, I do. I use funded accounts. Yeah. Nice, mate. Nice, Nat. Yeah. Like I say, personal is king, but funded accounts are good. I do like funded accounts. How long have you been trading for, Nat? And Naeem, both of you. How long have you been trading for? Let me know. Right, this is good now on gold. Okay, if we can show some, the guys in the community will know. If we can show some confirmation, we can long. I love these trades when you break above a level and you're so close to liquidity. You know, like 20 ticks. These are my favourite positions. You can get chopped about in them sometimes, but I just wait for the perfect one. Nice, 2 years Nat. Good stuff. Great stuff. It's a good amount of time. I got lucky with crypto last season, so I have a very decent personal, thankfully. So yeah, Nat, good. That's what you want. Like I say, I'm the same. I built a personal up. I build personal all the time. But good. Good, Naeem. 4 months. What, you do this full time, Naeem? Is it like you don't work too, or are you fully focused on this? Is that what you mean? This is what I like to see, guys, okay? This is what I like to see. This is perfect now. Because we've got the closure. You know, even if you have your level here now, you know, you can see this level on the 15. You know, this level's quite decent. There's 2377. So if we stay above here now, show that confirmation, that liquidity should be taken. But yeah, crypto's given a lot of people a lot of opportunities. It's good that you're using that money as well to learn how to trade yourself, though, bro. Good stuff. If you can make that happen, it's good. But yeah, let's look for these longs. You know, 15-minute, 5-minute trade here. I think we should get some. What we could see is price pull down a little bit more, push higher. So this is realistically I would like to stay above here, but if we pull back down into the level that we had before, absolutely fine. We can still look for longs, but a nice pullback into, you know, staying above here, and this level here, you know, you can see decent level. Stay above this level, we can look for longs. Hourly close decent as well. So we've got a decent range now from that low into that high. We've got 30 ticks, and then we've got 47 ticks, which is good. Hi Yas, mate, how's it going? I have a restaurant, and one sec, mate, let me just go through these. And during the day, teach me yourself. I have a restaurant. Oh, Naeem, nice, mate. I appreciate that you've been watching me. Really good stuff. Yeah, that's good. And it's good that you've got a restaurant too. It's good that you've got time to be able to do it. But yeah, I appreciate you watching and supporting the videos. I do appreciate it. If you can take some value off the free content that I offer, good. Crypto changed my life, really. I started with a small 300 investment too. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you, I love it when people do that. Like, people who go all in, like, it's just stupid. Like, small £300 investment and you change your life with it. Perfect, mate. Really congratulate. That's so good. Yaz, I have taken one this morning, but as of yet on stream, nothing. You know, I took 5-minute confirmation there and 15-minute like 2-tick loss here. You'll be able to spot why I took the long on the 5-minute Yaz, but look, I took a whatever that is. As it closed, I took that loss, 2-tick loss, and then on the 5-minute, took a 25 tick. Well, it weren't 25 ticks. I took partials, but you know, I took partials at these highs. You know, like 8 ticks, and then overall, like up here, 20 ticks, decent, all good. But yeah, we're looking for confirmation now to go long. Just keep flicking. I'm just gonna keep flicking between these time frames and see if I can get some longs. We're only at 20 past as well, guys. Ooh, look at the 15. Wow. No bottom wick on that 5. Well, a little tiny bottom wick on that 5. Hi, Angry. Wait, news is at 3 p.m. No. Yeah, I did check the news the other day, and we've got NZD and Powell speaking today at 3 p.m. But I've got like another hour and 20 minutes before that, so it doesn't really bother me. But yeah, we can look for positions up into the news. No problem at all. Like I say, guys, any questions, put them in. I'll go through them. Name. I think a lot of people don't understand risk and reward and blow their accounts because, yeah, maybe you can do a video on this. Just a thought. Yeah, Naeem, I could do for sure. Like I say, I've got a few videos on my YouTube, but realistically, I like going live more than creating videos. But yeah, I could create a video on that for sure. That's not a problem. I can do that. Look how gold's flying. Let's see what this 15 does. If this 15 closes, we can probably take some longs. But I need to see the momentum in order to do that. You know, we've liquidated that. Absolutely flying gold. You know, first liquidity target's taken, almost at second liquidity targets. And then, you know, we've got more targets here now. Let's see how we close in this 15. You know, remember, guys, that the hourly has just opened. You know, we've got another 37 minutes on the hourly. So we could take 15-minute entries in 7 minutes. I've been looking for 15-minute entries in 6 minutes. So don't rush yet. That 5-minute is very, very, very bullish. No real wicks or bottom wicks that we could have entered on. So I'm going to wait for the 5-minute, because when you see a big push like so, a lot of the time the 5-minute will just come straight back down in the next 5-minute, because there's no bottom wick, there's no volume to the downside, or there's no space for price to push up any further. So you can see the price just retrace like so. That's why I'm going to wait for the 15. If the 15 closes bullish, gives us a bottom wick, we can take longs. But this is very bullish. Yeah, we're just checking if there are any Any news? Any unexpected news? I had a buy stop at the high and Totwig. It took it 2 seconds. Nice. Good stuff, bro. Yeah, when you get the 15 minutes like this and you get rejection, when you push above, you're gonna get highs. But the problem is we've just taken more liquidity. We'll have to see how big the bottom wick is on the 15. Should I trade when news is on? I wouldn't trade like on news. If you're in a position when there is news, just mitigate risk before the news comes out. That's what I'd say. Angry. That's what I do. If I'm in a position, then I just mitigate risk, go break even before the news. But I don't trade like, I don't have like buy stops or sell stops in like a minute before news, because it's just stupid. I get trades with the price action that I get in the day. Let me share this. Guys, if you want to join the free Telegram, I've just commented the free Telegram link. You can join through there. Get yourself in the free Telegram if you want to join. Anybody new, that is, if anyone's new to the lives. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for on gold. I'm going to see how this 15 closes and see if we can get confirmation, continuation higher. But news trading, nah, not for me. Thing is, the news is like 10 minutes before and 10 minutes after, right? Like, so realistically, if you've got 2 red news events, that's like 40 minutes within your day that you can't trade. It's absolutely, it's just pointless getting wicked out, especially when my guys and who I teach, we have good stop loss sizes like 10 ticks, and gold's gonna wick you out on a 10 tick stop loss. Do you know what I mean? So if you can mitigate that and just trade when you need to, it's absolutely fine. Took TP in 2 seconds, Ron. Absolutely class. Well done, bro. That's it, bro. That's it. See, I knew, like, this happens on gold all the time. And it's something you just notice when it pushes up so much, it just comes rocketing straight back down. That's why I wait for the 15 close. So if that 15 close is bullish, then the 5 should. Know what I mean? Like I always wait for the clauses. It's just so important. Like, we've taken the liquidity, now we're rejecting. It could be worth me doing, what would, comment this, guys. Do you think, would you like me to do maybe a London stream? A London stream, because I've caught most of my positions this week in London. So if you want me to do a London stream and you'll be available for that, let me know. It'd start at like 8 o'clock London time. Just comment it, see what you think. I'm on a 25k FXify 2-step challenge account with 1 to 50 leverage. What lot? One sec, I can't see that. What lot size should I use? I need to make 2.5k to pass. On a 25k, I would say 2 lots, 1 to 2 lots. On 100k, I use like 5. So yeah, just maybe like 1.5, 2. That's absolutely fine. Naeem, you're in. Good stuff, man. Let's see if I can. I'll start a poll. Okay. Who? I'm gonna do a poll. A poll. Sorry, poll. A poll. I'm gonna do a poll. Who would join a London session stream? I'll say 8 o'clock, 8 AM start. 8 a.m. start. Okay. See how many people we get. I entered the prior 5 minutes, so when it shot up, but stop loss was hit. Gutted. I entered on the prior 5 minute when it shot up. Let's have a look. Let's put yes. 100% yes, nice. So you entered on this, Grant. Here. After this, did you enter after this 5 minutes here, mate? Did you enter on this 5 minute, this active 5 minute here? I entered on the 5 minute. Let's have a look. %, yes, nice one. Let's see. 6 votes, 6 people can join. Good. Right, yeah, I think we can do a London. I'll put that out maybe Thursday. Thursday sounds good. Yeah, Grant, let me know which 5 minute candle. Let me know the time, the entry time, and I'll see what happened. Because there was no 5 minute entry for me just yet. 30. Like I say, guys, whilst we're waiting for this long, drop a comment, question, anything. No, before the long shut up at 1:15. All right, let's have a look. 1:15, 1:15, 1:15. Bang. Oh, wow. That's unlucky, mate. What I'd suggest to you, mate, if you got stopped out on this, you need to ask yourself, all right, if you're looking at these longs, like, yeah, you can take longs, but make sure you have your stop loss below liquidity candles. There's no liquidity that we have really taken, so there was no real entry for me. But if you did get stopped out before, you know, you want your stop loss where some liquidity, where your liquidity grab is, and that's why there were no entry for me, because there's no real liquidity grab on the 5 minute yet. You've got it after this, but you've shot up too much. The 15 minute isn't closing too good too either. Let's have a look. Is that double top? Nah, I got taken. All you've got now is a wick fill. I'm gonna wait for the 5 minute. You think it's going to be a sell position because I have a strong feeling it's going to crash down. The only way I'm looking to sell is if we close back below at least here, 23.71, because look how bullish we are. Weekly is going to flip bullish, daily's bullish, 4 hourly's bullish, hourly's bullish. Like, until we start closing below some levels, I'm not looking to short at all. Like, yeah, it could do, but I'm not willing to take the risk. It just doesn't make sense. We could wick fill these longs here in a second. What is the range there? 10 ticks. We could push higher. Let's have a look. Hourly. No, not yet. We let's have a look how this 5 minute. We need to see some 5 minute confirmation to go along here. Cheers for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Do appreciate it, guys. Like I say, guys, any other questions, put them in. I'll get back to you whilst we're waiting for these longs. I think we can Wickfill this 30 minute here if we get the right confirmation. Welcome, guys. Like I say, if you're not subscribed, guys, drop us a subscribe as well. Let's build it up. If you're already subscribed, I appreciate it. And if you've got any questions at all, guys, put it in. I'll answer any questions. I'm waiting. I think if we can close, I think we can Wickfill. Oh wow. The price action in New York session has not been there in the last couple of days. It's just been horrendous. Horrendous. You know, London's been really good and New York's been... Would the next target be 23.85? Yes. I think what you need to realize on gold, guys, is that a lot this is why so many retail traders fail to trade gold, right? Because when they see gold so bullish, they go, okay, instantly they go, okay, gold's so bullish, I'm going to short now and I'm going to have stops here because it's safe. It's not going to go up any further. But look at the dailies on gold. Look at it. Does not care about what anybody is saying. It's gonna reverse now. Like, look at this, 420 ticks. Like, it can, like, that's 420 ticks, guys. If you think it's gonna slow down now, it's not. Like, whenever you think gold's gonna slow down and continue and reverse, just think again, because that's not gonna happen. So what we can look for on gold is continuations higher, and if we're going to continue higher, where are we going to go? Where's the next liquidity targets? And you've got all these highs here. 1, 2, 3, bang. So yeah, Naeem, you're right, this is the next liquidity target. Why? Because this is where stop losses are. Yeah, don't get me wrong, guys. We're taking liquidity here, okay? We're taking this liquidity to the left. What can happen when we take liquidity? Yeah, you can pull back a little bit. But if we pull back, stay above 23,676, we're going long, yeah? So don't be concerned that you're not catching the longs yet. Just wait for the pullback, get the confirmation, and it'll go higher. Like, you have confirmation here, you know? And like I said, you had an easy 10... You had an easy 10... tick Wickfill higher, but I don't want to have my stops here. You know, what was the stop loss there? 7 ticks. You could have had that, but I'd rather pull back a little bit and get confirmation, or 5-minute confirmation. It's just very, very bullish. But yeah, 23.85 guys for sure. 23.85 is definitely a decent target for gold. Just with the way the daily's setting up as well, like the daily time frame, for it to continue, especially into say some of these levels here, you know, resistance, 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 resistance. You know, you can definitely continue higher. Like I say, that 15 was, if you did take the 15-minute confirmation as we talked about, you can do, but I don't know, it just wasn't for me. You would be break even and taking partials as well. I didn't like this wick, but yeah, the wick fill was there. Let's see, we've got a 3-candle pattern here. Can we push any higher? You got some support and resistance there. I think if we break above... Alright, I'm going to get a buy stop in, guys. I'm personally going to get a buy stop in on the break of this high. You know, I'm going to have my hard stops. Let's see how big the law's created. But I'm going to have a buy stop on the break of the last candle high here. Seeing if this is the move that we need in order to get the push. Like, if we don't push in a minute and a half, then I am going to cancel this order. But yeah, this is in. I'm going to put this in right now. 30-minute. See if we can get a 30-minute push. Yeah, I'm going to have my hard stops on this 5-minute low at 20 ticks. So I'm going to just use like a 2 contract. $400 risk. Let's see if we can get executed on this. That is in. If anyone's got any questions on anything else at all, let me know. But I'm putting this in on this high. Like I say, the volume does seem a bit dead, but we have got a level here. And if we do, I'm thinking that if this 5-minute does close above it, we're going to continue higher. You know, you got 5-minute candle there. But yeah, this is in now. Give it another minute. If it doesn't flip, I'm not going to put it. I'm going to take it off. Yep, the momentum looks like it's slowed down. It's... Welcome. Anybody here, guys, welcome. I have got a buy stop in right now on gold. Got a buy stop in here on the break of this high. You know, stops here looking for a nice 50-tick push into the highs. But if the momentum's not there, we're not going to get the push. We'll just wait for more confirmation in a second. Right, yeah, we're not going to flip in a minute, so we just need to wait for that. We need to wait for more confirmation, guys. I'm deleting this buy order now on my account. 1 second. Okay, that's deleted now. Just literally, we just simply need to wait for more confirmation, guys. It will come. It will come. Don't worry. But like this, and this is exactly what I said. If you did take the 15-minute flip here, if you took this 15-minute flip, you know, yeah, if you had your stop on the low here or you had your stop here, You know, as soon as you start coming through here, guys, you need to be break even. Because you're coming into a major level and you're taking liquidity. So... 13 people watching. Welcome, guys. Like I say, anyone new here, drop us a subscribe. You can join the free Telegram or ask a question. It don't matter. I hope so, Naeem. I hope so, because like if I see the position, I will take it. Don't think I won't take it. Everything that I see, I execute on. Like even if I'm not bothered about taking trades live at all, but people in the community and people who know how we trade, you know, there'll be like 3 or 4 of them here. If there's 3 or 4 guys in the community here, they'll know that everything that I've done in these live streams, there just hasn't been a position. And like I said, I've only been live for maybe like an hour and a half a day. And, you know, if I'm live for 3 hours, we probably would have taken something. But maybe even in London, if we did stream London today, we would have took 2 positions. It's just one of them. If it sets up, it sets up. But the 15-minute did set up here. I just didn't like how big this wick here was. You know, we had a wick at 14. You know, hard stops with like 27. It has to make the RR has to make sense. Like I said, I'm just gonna keep flicking through these, see if we can get a trade long. Another thing you need to keep in mind, guys, any breaks back above here at 2380, 2381, you've got some clearance higher. And this is quite a big level. On the 30-minute, especially, you can see. So realistically, any clauses back above here. Then you've got clearance, you've got a decent range higher into there and into there. You've got like 100 ticks. So, and like I say, guys, don't think gold can't go higher, because it can. Okay. Let's see what gold can do for us. Breaking above, but it's just rejecting now. But yeah, if you are like I say, guys, if you are looking at shorts, be very careful. A lot of retail will be going short here. Okay, you'll have a lot of retail taking positions now, and where will they have the stop loss? Well, they think the stop losses are safe here, 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 and it's just not true. Looking to target down here. For me, like yeah, we've got overall daily targets down here. If we do start breaking like 23.72, then yeah, we can target down here. But for now, it's just not the right thing to do. You need to wait for price to show you that it's ready to go to the downside. Like I say, anyone new here, welcome. Get a question in. How many people can do the London session? 8 votes. Right, we're gonna end this poll. Okay. From the looks of it, 7 people can join the London session. I think I'll do it on Thursday, guys, which is good. If anybody else can join, comment, let me know. If you didn't enter the vote. But yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if we can get some longs here shortly. I think that would have been break even as well. Yeah, it would have been. If you did enter the 15-minute flip, it would have been break even. You would have took partials at maybe like 10, 15 ticks. 15 ticks, you would have took partials, so you'd have a decent win there, which is always good. Yes, I think tomorrow, Naeem. Maybe. Like I say, I'm gonna see. Yeah, I can, bro. Nice. Bando, how's it going, mate? Nice to see you in. Like I say, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the community and I'll ask the community guys who can, because realistically I need the I want the community guys to be here as well. So I'm gonna ask them, see what people say. If we can get a good amount of people on London session, I'll do that. It's just because like this week, look at the London breakout ranges that we've had. You know, we've had trades here. You know, London here broke out. It's just that even yesterday, look. Like, London broke out. Where did it break out, London? Last Tuesday, Monday here. Not here. Here. You know, London, push up here. Like, we've had the positions in London today, had the positions in London yesterday. It's just a case of not being on the charts when they're there. But, like I said, there is still potential to take longs. Don't think there isn't. We could still take a position soon. Yeah, nice, Darren. Good stuff. Right, yeah, I'll... You think it'll keep pushing up as it is padded the demand, as if you look how high it went. See, it dropped, it was demand. Now it equals supply. Where Angry Arab, I personally don't trade supply and demand. I just trade liquidity to liquidity. Like, I understand supply and demand easily. It's very simple, but I don't trade supply and demand. I trade liquidity. I know that there's loads of liquidity sitting here. I know if I see everything that I want to see above where I want to see it, it's going to run into that level. It's going to run into that liquidity. I don't look at supply and demand at all. Because supply and demand trading, and it's just basically ICT. It is all support and resistance. It's too analysis paralysis. It's just so much, and it's just not needed. I literally trade like levels and liquidity, and it works so well. Levels and liquidity, the best. There's literally nothing better. No better strategy at all. And I don't care what anyone says. Like, ICT is just so overcomplicated for no reason. Supply and demand, it can be simple, but it is really just support and resistance. Yeah, I'll probably stay on maybe like 15 minutes before news. Angry. Um, are you in the angry? Are you in the free Telegram? King Alf, how's it going? Yeah, just basic levels, mate. That's all. That's all I use. But obviously, it's not as like I say. I said it were. I said it is over. I said it is over an analysis paralysis. But like I do use levels, but it's not as simple as that. Like trading from liquidity to liquidity and waiting for everything that we wait for. Like it can take a bit to get used to. It can take a bit to get used to. I'm on the free Telegram. Do you have a premium? Angry Arab, yeah, I do. I've got a Discord community where I teach my full strategy. Yeah, I have a full education, full members charts, Discord community. So it's got like all the it's got the course which is coming out. I've done like 4 or 5 course videos. There's so many trade breakdowns. There's market updates. You know, you've got the access to the full strategy there, and you can talk between members. There's like 3 members chats. But I upload probably probably a video a day, at least. It feels like you'd be a great mentor. Thank you, mate. I will have to take the value from your streams until I can afford your private group. That's absolutely fine, King Arthur. Take what you can for free. But obviously, I say like, yeah, the Discord community is everything you need. Volume is slow compared to yesterday. Yeah, Bando for sure, mate. It like in time. Just think to yourself when just think to yourself. There's so many people who are trading now. Stops here, here, and here. You know, it's stupid. Thinking that it's gonna go short. I'm personally looking for long still into all this liquidity. Price needs to stop out orders before continuing to the opposite direction. Think of the fuel fire. Yeah, nah. For sure, for sure. And don't get me wrong, like, don't get me wrong at all. Look at the 15, right? The 15 could pull back from this level that I've got at 2380. Could pull back, okay? But do I think it's going to pull back far enough all the way down here, which retail think? No, it could pull back, show me what I need to do, and then it lets me go long into my overall liquidity targets here. But yeah, like I said, don't think that and this is why so many people get trapped, okay? Because they're looking at this candle now on the hourly. They're gonna start piling up short positions because they think that it's gonna have this huge push down. So it just creates liquidity here, 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 and here. I know this now. I know that we can look to target this. So if we get some confirmation, first targets now are even this hourly high. And as soon as you break this hourly high, the chances of us going into this liquidity is a lot higher. So this is starting to look decent now. Let's see if we can get some confirmation to go higher. And it's annoying that news is an hour away as well. Because news is just going to... I mean, he's trying to take this trade in like half an hour. How much is the premium? The premium's £60 a month. The Angry Arab, it's £60, mate. This is my 7th month and want to get a funded account. You think it will be a sell at all? Angry Arab, like I say, mate, I wouldn't be looking to sell yet. Pullback sells, maybe, but an account pass on a challenge all the way down here, like, it's more safe below here, you know? Then you can look for your sells. Yeah, nah. Yeah, or just buy like a 5k challenge, you know, like a 30-40 quid challenge maximum. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, just literally, like Nat says a little bit, like I always say to my members or my community, I always say, you know, learn the strategy, trade consistently, trade the plan, and the money will come itself. Don't worry about the money, because if you trade consistently, it will just come naturally. I took a small retracement, but it's going higher. Yeah, for sure. Nah, it is. Look at the 4 hourly, it's wall bullish. Like even these 4 hour lows could get taken before we go higher. I'm not saying it's not going to push down. Don't get me wrong. But do I think we're going to get the move all the way down here? No, we're going to take this liquidity. I personally think we're going to take this liquidity at least, or some of these highs before pushing down. So even if we do take these highs before pushing down, that's what I think is going to happen. And we can capitalise on that 45 tick move. But yeah, the premium's £60, Angry Arrow, but there's a lot of education, and you've got my contact as well. There's a lot of stuff in there, so it is it's very packed with a lot of videos and stuff. A lot of education, a lot of videos. You know, you can ask me any questions. You've got the members chats as well. It's good. And I'm putting another course. I've done another course video. I'm putting another course video in Saturday, I think, so people can watch it over the weekend. I just need to edit it and upload it. Cheers for people liking, I appreciate it. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Nice one. Let's see if we can take these long soon. Right, let's clean this up a bit. Right, this is what I'm gonna look for, guys. Right, so I'm seeing price rejecting this 23.80, yeah, and I'm not gonna short at all until at least back below 23.75. So this is the overall bigger range, but I'm not even gonna have this in yet, because I'm not even gonna have this level in yet, because I'm not even looking for longs yet. I'm gonna look for pullbacks to go further. I'm not even looking for shorts yet. Sorry, I'm gonna look for pullback long trades, maybe, depending on how we react from some of these levels. But realistically, first targets for me now on gold is 23.81, 23.82. So if I get the confirmation, that's where I'll be longing into. Hey, how's it going? Yes, mate, how's it going, Mystic? You good, mate? Ben? I think Ben from the community. Is it Ben from the community? So many names, I'm so sorry. I personally, I wouldn't be buying a funding until I was confident in myself, not asking others for price direction, no disrespect. Yeah, exactly that. I agree. Anybody asking on direction, you really need to for sure try and find a strategy that works, and you know that works, and you can take consistently, because then the money and the passes will come. Like, you can pass all the time. Dun 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 dun. Mm, 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 mm. I was going to ask if I could get one free call just to ask questions for one day, as I'm not earning any money and I don't get paid until August. I'd really appreciate it. Once I can't see because there's something in the way, I'd really appreciate it. And come on, Goldie, let's do something. What I'd say to you, Angry, is just watch my TikToks, you know, get in the free group, and just wait until you can. Just wait until you can get in the educational community. That's what I'd say, mate. But like I say, you're more than welcome to join the YouTube live streams. That's absolutely fine. Right, let's see how we react now. Let's see how we react. A lot of people jumping in short. I know exactly where their stop losses are as well. Their stop losses are here. So if we can get confirmation to go higher, that's the plan. But yeah, guys, if anyone's got any other questions at all, let me know. I've been live for an hour and 10. Nothing as of yet shaping up, but I'm gonna see how we react from this level now at 23.75. Owly did close bearish, but if we are still bullish and I get everything that I need to see bullish price action, we can long. But just keep in mind, a lot of people are shorting now. Think of how many people are going short. Okay, that could be a trap, and I think it could be a trap. I'm not going to look to short until we get at least below, you know, looking at it now, the safest bet is 23.70. But I react to that when the momentum's there, but the momentum for shorts is just not there yet. You know, if we start seeing, just look at the price action. If we start seeing this sort of price action here, but here, then we can react to that and we can then start taking positions here. But until price shows that, we can't react to that. Like, it's not showing it. And that's why so many people fail as well, because they just jump in too quick. They don't wait. Looking to see a bottom wick on the 15, respecting 376, and then I'm in long. Could be nice, mate. 376. Yeah, I like this level too. I've got the same level. I'm going to see how we react from here too, because this could be nice. I'm going to have a look at this 5 minute in a minute, see if we can get some longs. Right, if this 5 minute can close like so, I'm gonna look for some pullback longs. You know, how many ticks have we got into that structure there? You know, we've got 10 ticks there, so we've got some decent first targets. This could be the position that I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm going to look for this 5 minute continuation play. I think this looks nice. Give it a minute to close, and if we close bullish, then yeah, we can look for longs. You know, liquidation above the level. Let's see if we can push into the hourly highs here. You know, wick fill that. Because I know there's a lot of retail traders shorting, not seeing where we actually are, and they're going to get stopped out. I think that's what I think. That's what my analysis says anyway. So pull back, bottom wick, continue higher. It's all on this 5-minute close. Yeah, Nat, you're 100% right as well. Like, psychology's so big. Like, I don't care if I enter this position now. I'm obviously on. I've taken 2 positions today already. You know, I've had a win and I've had like a break even, basically a break even, like 2 tick loss, but it's irrelevant. But I know that if I take this trade in a minute on the 5-minute, I know the next trade that I take is either, you know, it could be a win. Like, I don't care. Like, if I take what is this, overall loss could be like 20 ticks, I really don't care. Because I know that last week I took over 100 ticks. And, you know, I passed another challenge on from basically last week and yesterday. Like, it doesn't bother me. Let's see how we open. What is going on with gold? Oh, here we go. Right, I'm going to take a buy. I'm going to put a buy limit on the 5-minute high. Hard stops are going to be here at 20 ticks. Okay, I'm going to put that in now, guys. That's what I'm doing. And let's see if we can... I'm going to put a... I'm only going to use a 1 contract, guys. Because I have taken 2 positions today, so it's just a small 1 contract trade. As soon as we start taking these highs here at like 10 ticks, I'm going to go break even. And realistically, I'm looking to see if we can take this much higher into these highs here at like 45 ticks. So that is the trade. That's what I'm looking at. You know, hard stops here. As soon as we start going through here, you can mitigate it to the wick low and go break even. But, you know, you want to be, you know, 20 ticks or below here at 10 ticks. Let's see if we can flip on this 5. And this will be the 15. Here we go. We're in. So we're in this trade now, guys. So let's see how this closes. What would that be there? Right, I'm gonna. My stop's getting trailed to this low, guys, at 6 tick loss. Okay, so my stop loss is a 6 tick loss now if it does hit. And as soon as we start taking the high to the left here at 7 ticks, I'm going to go break even. So let's see if we can run this. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. Right, I'm break even, guys. I'm going break even on this. Stops to break even. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Nice. Great stuff. Here we go. Yeah, break even trade. I'm only in 1 contract. 10 ticks up. Let's see if we can continue higher on this now. Beautiful. Fabio, you waited for the 15. It's absolutely fine. What strategy are you using? It's my own strategy, really, that I found, mate. I'm using the higher and lower. Oh, you're not talking to me. Sorry, I thought you were talking to me. But yeah, I'm in this trade, guys. Beautiful. Lovely entry. Up around 10 ticks. I'm going to move stops. Yeah, stops could get break even here. I'm just going to leave this at break even. If it runs, see what... like I say, guys, the only reason I've gone break even is because we've taken liquidity to the left. And it's not... There we go, it's starting to do it now. What is going on with my trading view, by the way? Trading view is not uploading. If you are in this, guys, go break even. It's not uploading. Like it should do. Maybe on this chart. What is going on? It's not moving. I'm going to just check the top step that I'm in. Been here long enough, Joe. I know what you're about. Hi, nice one, Nat. I appreciate it. Like I say, guys, in this at break even, if you are in, you can take partials at these highs. I'm not because it's only 10 ticks. But I am still in this. We have run to 10 ticks. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. Beautiful entry though, nice one. Who caught it? Put in if you caught it. The 5 minute long. It's only 10 ticks at the moment, but it is what it is. Let's see if we can push up. There we go. Lovely push. Nice one, guys. If you're in it, let me know. Great stuff. Beautiful. What a push we're getting now. Lovely stuff. Beautiful. Right, guys, I'm gonna take partials now, and I'm gonna roll my stops to this current 5 low. Because if this makes the bottom wick, then it could push lower. So I've locked in 8 ticks. I've locked in at this high here at 11 ticks. But if it does, I'm gonna trail it to this bottom, which is decent. Nice one. I've just locked in $100, which is good. But yeah, I've locked in $100 here, and I've got a position running at 8 ticks in profit. So I'm just gonna put in, so half taken off at 10, that's 5 ticks, 4, it'd be 9 ticks profit if it pushes. 15 minute, we could get a 15-minute entry as well if this knocks us at break even. What are we at here? 12, 13 ticks. Right, I'm gonna close, one sec, 15 ticks. I'll just leave it open. Take them 10, 15. Beautiful, beautiful entry. That's what we do. That's what we do, guys. Anybody enter? Right, guys, I'm gonna close full here. One sec. Right, I've just closed full here, guys, at 17 ticks full. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. $180 on that. Great stuff. I'm gonna expect the 15 entry as well, guys. Oh my god, look! As soon as I closed here, bang, rejection. Everyone listens to me. I'm the market mover. Right, beautiful. Nice one, Darren. If you caught it, guys, good. I'm personally out here, literally at the top at like 17 ticks profit. Wow. It literally took me out at 17 and reversed a bit. So I'm happy with that, guys. So, yeah, nice. Good stuff. Good stuff if you caught it. I might take a 15-minute entry in a second as well. I'm going to put an entry on the 15-minute. I'm out of that at 17 ticks, which is great. I closed partials at 12, so 6, and then partials at 17, so it's like 14 ticks overall. So I'm gonna put it as 14 ticks on the thing, guys. On the new. Oh, I can trade this now. Here we go. Wins, 1 win, guys. Stream record. Beautiful. I need to edit this. I'm gonna put the chat here, guys. But session trades, gold, buys. I'm going to put it as plus 13 ticks, guys, because it was 17 overall, but I took partials, so I'm putting plus 13 ticks. But yeah, guys, I'm putting a 15-minute, what time are we at? 20 past. I'm putting a 15-minute entry on the break of the current 15 high. What's the risk? 20. No, I'm not yet, guys. Don't do it yet, guys. The risk isn't worth the reward. You know, you've got what have you got? You've got 20 tick. You've got a 20 tick. It's like, it's less than a 1-to-1. It's not worth it. That 5 minute was absolutely perfect. Yeah, Saf, nice, mate. If you caught it, good stuff, guys. 100% strike rate on the stream. What's everyone saying? Oh, happy days. But that was the trade, guys. I said we'd catch it. You just got to be patient. Anybody who's who's been in the stream for the full length, like, you deserve that trade. Like, you deserve 18 ticks, guys, because you kept to it, and this is what we do. Like, we're patient, guys. We do this. Beautiful. 2 wins today, 1 break even. It's good. Good stuff, guys. Yeah, in and out, guys. Beautiful. Drop us a like on the video as well. Subscribe as well. Good stuff, guys. $13 ticks is not bad. If you're taking 2 contracts, 13 ticks, it's like over $300. Yeah, I traded one. It depends. I've got two personal accounts that have different risk on them. But on the main, yeah, I did, Naeem. On a 1 lot, 13 ticks is like way over 130 quid. Cheers for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for following as well. Anyone who subscribed, I appreciate it, guys. Guys, 9 likes. Appreciate it. Everyone who's dropped in, nice one. Anybody who did catch that 18 tick push, 18 ticks. The only reason I put it as 13 ticks on the stream is because I took partials at this high at like 12 ticks. So 6 ticks and then 18. It's like 14 ticks. So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna put 14 ticks, which is decent. But I took 1 lot on the main. On my smaller account, I took it smaller, but then on my top step, I took just a 2 contract. Cheers for the love, guys. Cheers for the likes. Beautiful trade. 13 tick profit, 14 tick profit, depending on where. Did everyone get some profit out of that? Let me know. Put it in the comments. If you got a little bit of profit, it's good. But that's the trade, guys. That's the trade. Nice work, guys. Good stuff. If you stayed patient and you know, it's good. You know, the 15, like I say, like all time frames are different. Like 15 doesn't set up here, 5 minute did set up. You know, that was a lovely push. Lovely push. I've got 2 screens, Naeem. I've got my phone. I use my phone for MetaTrader. I've got a screen for my Top Step, and yeah, I trade a lot of accounts, mate. But I've got a copy trader for my different risk on my on my personals. So like, for example, I'd have maybe 20% on the risk on a smaller account, but then it risks higher depending on what risk I want to use. It works it all out for you. They are really good. It's really good. But yeah, good stuff. Nice one. But yeah, guys, good stuff. If you took it, nice. We can see if we can still catch some more longs. I'm gonna stick around and see if I can catch some more longs with you. Like, it would have been nice if that 5 minute took some laws, but it hasn't. Nice one, Ron. How's it going, mate? Yeah, did you take the long as well? Beautiful 13 ticks. 14 ticks, actually. I just worked it out on my top step. It were 14 ticks. Nice one, guys. 10 likes. I appreciate it. Nice one for the people subscribing as well. What's this 15 saying? I'm gonna see how this 15 closes. You know, if this 15 closes like so, I'm gonna take the flip of the next 15. If you did take the 15 high, the 15 high break is just breaking now. So if you did take it, you'd be in a little bit of profit. Just realize that it is a negative RR because you can only have your stop on the low, but it shouldn't break that low now at all. It will go into that. Well, if the momentum's there, it should go into there. Even though we are rejecting, it should push into there if the momentum is there, like I say. But for me, I'm going to see how this 15 closes. If this 15 closes bullish, I'll take the flip of the next candle. And that's the idea for now for longs. So, you know, we've still got a decent range if we do close bullish. Depending on how this 15 closes, guys. If it closes wicky or bearish, I think I'll be done for this stream. And I'll be active in the community. Because I think there is still some trading to do yet. You know, we've got at least another couple of hours. So depending on how this closes, depends on what I do. But I'm happy we have taken a trade. Like I say, if it's there, I will take it. But yeah, nice start to it. Nice to get a win to start the stream record off as well. It'd have been bad if it was an L. No one would stay. What would you be risking on this next flip? Depends on where the bottom wick is. You know, if we bottom wick here, you'd be risking 7. But let's see how it closes. It's got 3 minutes, and news is half an hour away. Remember, it's going to be very volatile. But anybody who's still here from the start, like I say, guys, nice one. Right, let's 15-minute close in 2 minutes. Like, guys, what did I say before? Look how many people are getting chopped about. Like, so many retail traders are short. And what do? We go long. You know? Look. They're in drawdown. Exactly what I said. Exactly what I said. It's done. Let's see how this 15 closes. 2 minutes. Have we got enough range? Yeah, we've got enough range. Two minutes till this closes. Hourly, look at the hourly as well. Beautiful. Everything. If you rewind back, guys, and look at what I said pre the move, it's doing exactly what I said, and I explained it fully of why it's done what it's done. You know. Naeem, you have your stop loss in place. Where is your stop? Are you in long still? If anyone took this 15-minute flip, it was difficult because it pushed up straight away. If it pushed down, you could have took it. Dun, dun, dun. I'm just waiting for this 15. How this 15 close depends on how I'm going to trade. Here we go, 27 seconds, bottom wick, we can go long, guys. First target, as soon as we hit these highs, break even. If we can continue higher, perfect. Let's see if we can bottom wick first. If it pushes straight up, again, there's no trade. I think we're definitely going to go higher. You're in from 23.72. Beautiful. Yeah, make sure you stop losses in. Like I say, I want it to push down for a bit. It's not doing that right now, so there's no position. And it's doing exactly what I thought it'd do. Straight up. Right, here we go. What is that range there? You got a 10, 9, 7 tick range. 30. Right, guys, I'm gonna put a buy stop on this flip. I'm gonna put it on the candle break of the high, because into there it's like 8 ticks, but I think we can go much higher if it does flip. I'm putting it on the 30-minute high, just because if it could just come up, tap this resistance here. I think it's clear if we can push higher. If we come and tap this 15-minute low, there's no trade because it's just liquidating lows, and there's news around the corner. If it does tap this low, we will be done. I'm just going to put that in really quickly. Like I said, as soon as it hits here at like 10 ticks, guys, you want to be managing. Like I say, text this 15-minute low, you got to wait for the next candle. I want it to go on this candle high. I'm just going to put a comment in, not in yet. Just in case people get confused. But realistically, there's still a lot of room to the upside on gold, you know. So don't think there's not, there is. This is just a 30-minute continuation. No, I'm not in this trade yet. I'm waiting for it. Yeah, my stops are in, Saf. I've got it in. Just a small little one. Nothing major. You know, as soon as we take this liquidity, I'll be going break even. And the only reason I'm going break even, guys, is because news is literally in 27 minutes. I've taken 3 trades today. And if this 5-minute doesn't flip, guys, I will delete it. So you've got a minute to flip. Not yet, Ben, mate. I've got the order in. If it doesn't flip in 58 seconds, I won't be having it in. Because what you can tend to find, guys, is the new 5 could open, tag it, and push down. Yeah, it's not going to flip, is it? You know, you've taken liquidity. It's not going to flip. Nah. Right, guys. Delete this order for now. Delete this order for now, guys. It's not in. Just because the new 5 can open, it can instantly push up. You can know it can tech the last 5 high and then continue to the downside. And I don't want that. I don't want to be the liquidity there. You know, we've taken a win. I've taken 14 tick win today. You know, I've taken another win and a break even. I'm absolutely fine with that. I think that'll be me for now because the news is in 25 minutes. And look, price is just pushing down. But yeah, be careful, guys. And yeah, that's the stream for today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for liking, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope some people got some value and took a position, took the long with us. And I will see you tomorrow, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh. But yeah, that's me done, guys. A decent stream there, guys. We did an hour and 50. Took another win today. It's good. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you all, guys. I'm gonna catch you all in a bit, and I'll see you tomorrow. No worries, Darren, mate. In a bit. Catch you all, guys. Catch you later, guys.